Welcome to Trial Site News Investor Watch Roundup. My name is Adrian, and I'll be going over some of our top news stories from this past week. Lung and thyroid cancer frequencies have deadly consequences, and most families can connect with the loss of a loved one due to these killers. Hence, it's promising that yet another Purdue spinoff is bringing a novel approach to treating these conditions, and the lead investigational product is moving closer to clinical trials. Funding always helps here, and recently KinaRX received almost $400,000 for an SBIR Phase I grant from the National Cancer Institute. The funding will help to advance the startup's novel platform aimed at producing more effective drugs to treat lung and thyroid cancers. Now, this advanced Purdue-discovered platform targets gene mutations that help cancers grow and expand within the body. KinaRX is in the market as well to find partnerships. Elsewhere, a Seattle-based biotech developing innovative treatments for cancer and autoimmune inflammatory diseases secured a $60 million cash payment and up to $805 million in potential drug development, regulatory, and commercial milestone payments from major pharmaceutical company AbbVie. Publicly traded via a reverse merger, Alpine Immune Sciences positions itself as a leading clinical stage immunotherapy company that was able to negotiate an important drug development and commercialization collaboration deal involving an exclusive worldwide option and license agreement for their proprietary lead compound, Alpine 101. Now, based on the financial track record thus far, the deal looked like the smart thing to do. And then we turn to Engrail Therapeutics, who announced the close of a $32 million Series A financing round. Nanfeng Life Sciences, or the NFLS, the global investment platform of the Nanfeng Group, led the round. The company plans to use the proceeds from the financing to support the clinical development of its first pipeline asset, ENX-101, a subtype selective GABA-A modulator. Engrail's scientific approach begins with a thorough biological understanding of disease and rational therapeutic targeting. This in turn enables the company to identify compounds with greater opportunity to address unmet patient needs. Now, when combined with a comprehensive view of clinical development strategy, regulatory considerations, intellectual property, and optimal commercial positioning, this approach will allow Engrail to acquire high-quality assets with a lower-risk path to market. Engrail expects to acquire assets with validated mechanisms through various licensing and co-development programs to ultimately catalyze a diverse portfolio of therapies to treat diseases of the nervous system. You can find more on the story in the link below. Thank you for joining us for this week's Investor Watch series. We'll see you next time.